Welcome back to the kitchen of Taste of Asian Food. Today I'm going to make a dish. It's a Sichuan dish which is called 鱼香肉丝, which means stir-fried pork strips with garlic sauce and chili bean paste. This dish is called 鱼香 in Chinese, which means fish fragrance, but there isn't any fish inside. So what is it? Let's find out. I'll start by soaking the wood ear fungus that looks like this. It is dry. So I put it in water and soak it for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, it expands and is probably double or even triple of its size. Let me wash it and cut it into strips. Just this way. Next, we have carrot and we also cut it into strips. Nearly all the ingredients that we use today are cut into strips, just like the pork strips. Next, the pork loin. Then cut into strips. I substitute the green and red chili with bell peppers because I do not want it to be too spicy. Now let me show you all the ingredients that I've already prepared. There's the pork that I've already cut it into strips. The carrot that I've cut it into strips too. Some people don't use carrot, but I like it. Some people use bamboo shoot instead, but it's just another alternative. This wood ear fungus, I've already cut it into strips too. And then the bell pepper, instead of chili, cut it into strips. And these are the remaining ingredients: garlic, ginger, the white and green section of the spring onion, and then some chili pickles. Now let's marinate the pork. Some light soy sauce, some white pepper, some salt, mix everything together. Add half an egg white, cornstarch, and finally some oil so that they will not stick together when we start to fry it afterwards. Nice. Set it aside. Now we prepare the sauce. Let's prepare the sauce, the 鱼香 fish fragrance sauce. This is the black vinegar, plus some light soy sauce. Balance the vinegar flavor with some sugar, some cornstarch for the purpose of thickening the sauce, a bit more water. Mix together, and that is the 鱼香 fish fragrance sauce. I also use doubanjiang or chili bean paste for this recipe. I can just add it in to make it complete, but I will separate it, not adding it in, because I want to saute this chili bean paste to make it more fragrant before I add the sauce into the wok. Now heat up the wok and add some oil. We start by frying the pork first over medium heat. You do need to use a little extra oil to get the best result, and do it over medium heat until the color changed. You don't really need to brown it for this recipe. Once it is done, you can remove it from the wok. Now let's remove the extra oil that we can use it for other purpose. Leave some remaining oil to saute the garlic, ginger, and also the white section of the green onion. And then I will add the wood ear fungus. Now some people prefer to blanch the wood ear fungus separately with water first before stir frying to make sure that it is fully cooked and safe to eat. But I prefer to do the shortcut directly, put it into the wok and stir fry just a little longer to make it back. Then continue, add the carrot the pickled chili. And at this stage, I prefer to add some water to cook the carrot to make sure that it is soft and tender. Once it starts to dry out again, turn down the heat and then add a tablespoon of doubanjiang. Add some salt. And stir fry the doubanjiang for a short while together to bring out the flavor. Now it is almost done. Return the pork back to the wok. And also the bell pepper. And don't forget the sauce that we have made just now. Look at it, so colorful. Lastly, add half of the spring onion. Have a few quick stirs, and that's it. A very balanced dish with meats and vegetables. The Yuxiang flavor comes from the combination of vinegar, light soy sauce, and sugar. With meaty pork, crunchy vegetables, slippery wood ear fungus. A great dish that you really need to try. And it goes very well with steamed rice. If you love Chinese food, especially if you love Sichuan food, don't miss out Yuxiang Roshi. This is the one that you're looking for. Beautiful presentation, full of colors, varieties of textures, and complex flavors. If you like it, try it out at home and let me know the result. I've already included the recipe in the description below the video and also at the end of this video for your reference. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.